Welcome to Mr. Office Excel Daily 1-Minute Tips. Today's tip: data validation. Entering data manually like this leads to many errors. You should use data validation. First, let's create a drop-down list for the departments. Select the range C2 to C6, go to the Data tab, and click on Data Validation. Choose List from the Allow drop-down and enter the items: Sales, Marketing, IT, HR, Finance. Now, you can easily select a department from the drop-down list. Next, let's set a numeric range for salaries. Select the range D2 to D6, go to the Data tab, and click on Data Validation. Choose Whole Number from the Allow drop-down and set the minimum value to 50,000 and the maximum value to 100,000. This ensures that only salaries within this range can be entered. If you type over maximum number, it show error. Finally, let's set a drop-down list for performance ratings. Select the range E2 to E6, go to the Data tab, and click on Data Validation. Choose List from the Allow drop-down and enter the items: Excellent, Good, Fair, Poor. This standardizes the performance ratings. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.